Welcome back again in the next video of this series. Today we are going to cover CRT-450 Salesforce Certified Platform Developer First PD1 Questions and Answers Part 13. If you like this content, please subscribe our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Now let's begin. The question is, a developer creates a new Apex trigger with a helper class and writes a test class that only exercises 95% coverage of the new Apex helper class. Change set deployment to production fails with the test coverage warning. Test coverage of selected Apex trigger is 0%. At least 1% test coverage is required. What should the developer do to successfully deploy the new Apex trigger and helper class? Option A. Increase the test class coverage on the helper class. Option B. Remove the failing test methods from the test class. Option C. Run the tests using the run all tests method. Option D. Create a test class and methods to cover the Apex trigger. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, a developer must build an application that tracks with accounts have purchased specific pieces of equipment that are represented as products. Each account could purchase many pieces of equipment. How should the developer track that an account has purchased a piece of equipment? Option A. Use the asset object. Option B. Use a master detail on product to account. Option C. Use a custom object. Option D. Use a lookup on account to product. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which statement generates a list of leads and contacts that have a field with the phrase ACME? And your options are as follows. Please have a look at them. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, Universal Containers recently transitioned from Classic to Lightning Experience. One of its business processes requires certain values from the opportunity object to be sent via an HTTP REST callout to its external order management system based on a user-initiated action on the opportunity detail page. Example values are as follows: name, amount, account. Which two methods should the developer implement to fulfill the business requirement? Choose two. Option A. Create a Visualforce page that performs the HTTP REST callout and use a Visualforce quick action to expose the component on the opportunity detail page. Option B. Create a process builder on the opportunity object that executes an Apex immediate action to perform the HTTP REST callout whenever the opportunity is updated. Option C. Create a Lightning component that performs the HTTP REST callout and use a Lightning action to expose the component on the opportunity detail page. Option D. Create an after update trigger on the opportunity object that calls a helper method using @future in brackets callout is equal to true to perform the HTTP REST callout. Correct answer is option A and C. Next question is, where are two locations a developer can look to find information about the status of asynchronous or future calls? Choose two. Option A. Time-based workflow monitor. Option B. Apex Flex Queue. Option C. Apex Jobs. Option D. Paused flow interviews component. Correct answer is option B and C. Next question is, a developer is asked to create a Visualforce page that displays some account fields as well as fields configured on the page layout for related contacts. How should the developer implement this request? Option A. Use the Apex include tag. Option B. Use the Apex related list tag. Option C. Add a method to the standard controller. Option D. Create a controller extension. Correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question. What does the Lightning Component Framework provide to developers? Option A. Support for classic and Lightning UIs. Option B. Templates to create custom components. Option C. Extended governor limits for applications. Option D. Pre-built components that can be reused. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, which code displays the contents of a Visual Force page as a PDF? And your options are as follows. Please have a look at them. And the correct answer is option B. Next question is, a developer writes a single trigger on the account object on the after insert and after update events. A workflow rule modifies a field every time an account is created or updated. How many times will the trigger fire if a new account is inserted, assuming no other automation logic is implemented on the account? Option A 8, option B 1, option C 4, option D 2. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, a developer needs to implement the functionality for a service agent to gather multiple pieces of information from a customer in order to send a replacement credit card. Which automation tool meets this requirement? Option A. Lightning component. Option B. Flow builder. Option C. Process builder. Option D. Approval process. Correct answer is option B. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.